Hello everybody, this is my working model of kidney. You can see the blood filtration through kidney. Actually there are two kidneys in a healthy person, and the main function of the kidney is to filter out the waste material from the blood. You can see this green structure. This is known as nephron. This is the most important, the most basic structure of the nephron. Without a nephron, the kidney is functionless. There are about millions or billions of nephron inside a single kidney. The whole of the kidney can be considered as a workshop where the nephron has the work to filter out the blood and to separate the waste material from the blood. The whole of the kidney can be divided into two parts. Half, the upper half is known as the renal cortex and the lower half is known as the renal medulla. You can see the triangular structures in running whole of the kidney. These are known as the renal pyramids. The renal pyramids are joined to the minor calyx and the major calyx. You can see the renal artery and the renal vein. This is the renal artery. Actually, the function of the renal artery is to bring the blood from the heart to the kidney for the filtration. It reaches to nephron. This green structure is being replaced by this plastic box just to make it easy to understand. This nephron acts as a filter for the blood, so when the blood passes from the renal artery and reaches the blood, so the nephron separates the waste material from the blood, and it only allows the filtered blood to pass. So the filtered blood pass through this pipe known as renal vein. This renal vein carries the filtered blood from the kidney again back to the heart. Now you can see this third pipe. This leads to ureter. Ureter, it actually carries the waste material or the toxic material which has been separated by the nephron from the blood. This waste material is known as urine. Urine contains many unessential and toxic materials like ammonium, ions, urea, dead blood cells, some salts, and other unnecessary inorganic amino acids. The working of the kidney is like this. From this renal artery, the blood flows from the heart to the nephron. When the blood reaches to nephron, the nephron starts separating the waste material from the blood and allows only the filtered blood to pass straight through. So you can see from this pipe the filtered blood is coming and it reaches to renal vein. Through renal vein, it again goes back to the heart. So the main question arises that what happens with that toxic material which has been separated out. So the answer is when the capacity of the nephron is full, so it throws out the waste material through this pipe. You can see that if we are assuming that now the nephron capacity of nephron is full, so now it is excreting out those waste material in the form of yellow color pale liquid known as urine. You can see that it's flowing from this and through ureter it reaches the urinary bladder. So this was the full functioning of the kidney. Thank you.